This project has been on the back burner for the last few months, but all that important architecture work is done. Let's get back to the fun car stuff. In this episode, we're going to be powder coating a lot of the front chassis parts. As always, I had to make some purchases. I bought a single voltage powder coating gun from Eastwood, matte black paint powder, stainless steel wire, high temperature polyester tape, and high temperature silicone plugs for any thread inserts. I also picked up a free oven from Facebook Marketplace. The shop didn't have a 240 volt outlet, so I had to get my brother, an electrician, to install one. His worker installed it at a mounting height that only a god oven could reach. I think some people just want to watch the world burn, so I had to get creative. For the most part, everything fits in this oven, and anything else was primed, painted, and clear coated. The process I followed was: remove all the ball joints and bushings, sandblast all rusted surfaces, place the parts on a rack with a stainless steel wire, hot flock the part by heating it up, powder coating the part, and baking to the manufacturer's specification. After the part cooled down, it was immediately ready to be handled to have the accessory parts installed. Everything was fairly straightforward, but pressing in the new bushings was a bit of a challenge. I'll explain later in the video. For now, let's get to it. There we go. Okay. This is gonna do nothing. Whoa! Woo! Here we go. That's moving. Oh! This is a good day. This is hot. I don't want to touch this. Don't touch it. And then this boy fits right in there. Yeah, boy. Okay, awesome. Okay, we are at Her Royal Highness the oven. And I've got the part here, and we're going to do what's called hot flocking, and that's going to just heat up the part and make the powder easier to go onto the part. That's what I understand. So we're just going to heat it up. All right, the part is warm, and we're gonna take it out and spray it. All right, doing this while the part is hot. I have my gun set up. Okay. Oh, that looks good. I got no light in there, unfortunately. You know, there it is in there. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Brand new. It. I just know that only some of these fit on. Oh man, these, I'm gonna wreck these. Okay, something like that for now, and we'll get some new nuts later. Okay, I just used the vice grip, and she's seated. There's no holes. Yeah, hey, just push down. Gotcha. Come on, why don't you, you're made for this. Your original goes in, kind of. You should, I don't want to strip this. Okay. Whew. Come on. Oh, good. Good. Let me clean this up. Just clean that up, buff it up. It's all metal. So I've got the manual here, and I noticed that the sway bar links, there's a collar, number 11 collar, and the bolt just runs all the way through it. So it seems like the bolt and the collar are rusted together, so I might have to chop it. Aha! Okay, so this took a little while. They're very clean. I don't want to touch them too much. But the outdoor sandblasting, although messy, did a really, really nice job. These ones I cannot powder coat because they won't fit in my oven. So I'm going to have to spray these. And it's with an enamel paint, so I think it should be sturdy enough. And I really got into as many of the crevices as I could on this one. And it turned out really nice, so I'm excited to paint these. Do not. Well, that could work. Okay, so we're getting to the end here, and I'm very happy about that. Something big that came up. Well, something big that came up was the second one I did. I had to push it in. I had to press it in. It's nice and tight. Everything's fine. You know, the stupid little nib isn't working, but it's tight and locked in there. The second one I did, I checked between the original and this one. They were both loose. So this can spin freely, and it's not good. But the problem is it is seated all the way around. There might be a little gap here somewhere, but I don't know what to do. The original does that, and the new one does that. So was it rattling around with a loose ball joint in the control arm? I don't know. Little bit worried. Maybe somebody can tell me what might happen if I have a loose ball joint. I guess if it's in there, and what the hell is this attached to again? I have no freaking idea. There's a knuckle on top right, and then I guess my suspension is lying on top of the knuckle. I can't remember how to put this back together. I don't know. I really don't know. I got to put it back together. I can't remember how it goes back together. I can't. It's been so long. It's been over a year now. Somebody say, what do I do with a loose ball joint? I have no idea what to do. But otherwise, that's it for at least the front suspension. Everything is powder coated and has some new bushings and ball joints on them. I've got some new parts on the way. I want to get all new nuts and bolts. So I want to get all stainless steel. Really hard to come by these threads, 1.25, at least where I am. So I'm going to have to order all these online and put them in later. I still need to track down some proper rubber bushings. These are for the strut rod, and they are like, I think they're supposed to be a lot softer rubber, you know. So these are petrified, and I could not find rubber strut bar bushings. So maybe I'll have to go polyurethane, or maybe somebody can help me track down rubber ones. Other than that, I got other parts coming on the way. I need to figure out this front suspension. I need to figure out brakes, etc., etc. But I think next time, you know, we'll do a quick short episode that I can do within a weekend. Maybe the drive shaft and the universal joints. I think that's the best way to go. But yeah, getting momentum back on this and getting back into a schedule. Things are all died down now. I'm an architect. That's fantastic. So now I can focus on this. So that's great, and see you on the next one.
Bye-bye, everybody!